All right, this is the first vibration that we've tracked down. Is that speaker on the passenger side? And watch, when you push down on it, it goes away. So that should be an easy fix. Doing a road trip to go see some friends down in Irvine. We're on the 15, and I have the driving assist here. You can see the blue line. That means it's steering. You do have to keep, it'll warn you if you don't keep two hands on the wheel, which I guess kind of makes sense at this point. And it's working quite well. Enjoying it. Mapping, no issues. Everything's functioning as it's supposed to. I'm just lightly touching the wheel.
2 miles. Keep left to stay on Interstate 15 South.
Battery levels are good. Data's good. Here we are at the elevation. We're going to be heading much lower. I think Irvine is maybe a couple hundred feet. So we were at was around 3,000. So yeah, all good so far. Okay, we're in Irvine visiting. We're done visiting our friends. Now we're going to try that Rove charging station, see what that's like. All right, we're heading to the Rove, or getting closer to the Rove charging station.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Lincoln Avenue.
Quarter mile. So it's just up here to the left. Here's my little car. It's so cool. It shows the lights are on, which they are, and I have the blinker on, which I do. Oh yeah, and the brake. So it's a nice representation.
Then, in 300 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Wait here. Interesting. Don't start. I feel like I could go up. Oh yeah, there is one more little spot. Oh, funny. It's not what I expected. Not the same vibe.
Your destination is on the right.
That's cool though. A lot of people. Ooh, I can't wait to go to Gelson's. It's a bunch of Teslas. Tesla. Rove. And interesting. Well, I have no idea what I'm doing. It's pretty much the way I roll anyway. But let's pull up here. We'll pick this one. And there we go. We'll give it a shot. All right, step one, we're gonna open this thing. That is so cool. All right, now, I've never done this before. What do we do? Step one, plug in. 58 cents. That sounds expensive, kind of, for everyone, 24/7. Pick your payment and enjoy. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so once you tap it, you pay with a credit card. You start with a credit card, and then it says syncing up, started charging, and there we go. There's the. So now everybody can see that we are about 60%. That's fun. There, it's green. Oh, actually 56. So better.
It says it there too.
Oh, and it's all like, everything's connected. That's connected. This is connected. It's totally on radar. And then, oh yeah, here's the back. That is so cool that they've done that. I really appreciate it. It's the little things, and it's such a beautiful design. All right, so here's a full view. It's charging it pretty fast, 168 miles per hour, 170. So it's kind of bouncing around. Nice. So we're gonna go inside Gelson and see what it's like. Fresh market. I can't wait to shop here. I love food. Yeah. Ooh. Man, this is really good. Tuna wrap. Waiting room in there. This is amazing, really. This is, wow. Good stuff all the way around. Oh, cookies. Wow, $8. We're definitely Gelson's. $8. I like these things. Salty snacks. Love the salties. Bagels. It is a bit more expensive in price than you would see at a grocery store, like $8 for bagels, but in a pinch, it's not terrible. Wow, sriracha sauce. Oh yeah, petit chocolat. It's really like a very upscale 7-Eleven. They have frozen meals. And then you can pick up lobster bisque for $14. I'm not giving it a hard time, just saying. Pretty cool. How many Teslas there are? It's crazy. This is like funny. When this thing opened up, I'm like, really? Santa Ana? Is this gonna get a lot of... I mean, it does. This side, the Rove side is not as much. Like the one, but even we got a Tesla on this side. Pretty busy. I mean, this thing is, it really is fast enough. We went in, used the bathroom, grabbed some stuff, but look, it'll be done charging in 34 minutes. We really don't even need this because we can charge from home for free. So I'm probably gonna tap out here, but I think we're good to go, yeah?
Yeah, that was a good first experience.
Yeah, all right, well, here we go. Stop charging. Cool, there we go, stopped.
Did you see it in the back?
This cable, when you pick it up, man, it's got some girth to it. Pretty impressive. So that was it. We're gonna shut the little flappy here. That's the technical term. And then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna do this little guy. And that is it. We are good to go. So bye, Teslaville.
Then turn left onto Lincoln Avenue.
So as we pull out of Rove, I'm impressed. Initially I was like, this is kind of an interesting business model, but I do think it's gonna be quite successful.
Feet, turn left onto East 17th Street.
Let's see if I can find one more thing I'll just insert really quickly. When they said, oh, they're gonna have security, I'm like, oh yeah, sure they are. They had 3 people there. So they definitely do take that serious.
Drive
and if they just
17th Street. Then in a quarter mile, turn left onto North Grand Avenue.
Fine. I'm just gonna do this way.
Oh.
So
It seemed like it was like the next street over.
It pulled a fast one on me. They say go out and adventure, but really inside is the adventure. All in here. So we're driving at night, obviously. And one thing I noticed here on my main panel is it's missing some information, it feels like. So let me get closer to the car up there. Yeah, there, you see it? Now there, the radar part is kind of working, but you don't see the speed limit. And then normally I think it does show this is the 15 heading to Vegas. So I would think it would show 70 or something. It's not showing anything.
Cool moon.
Seat warmer is really nice. We have a Jeep Renegade, and it's usually the equivalent of a 2 on this one, but 3 is really more. What is that? Oh, okay. Well, it finally gave me the. Here we go. It gave me the miles. Oh, it's too blurry. All right, we'll stop filming.
So just be aware and prepared that they do a $60 pre-auth on your credit card. And that the reason I'm bringing it up is it took about 8 hours to clear. And then the next day it did clear out at $11.09. I don't know if that's a lot or not. I'm still new to this, so we'll see how it all pans out. We arrived home safe and sound, no major incidents. The only thing that I noticed is that the cruise control with the driving and all that, it wouldn't activate. So I don't know if that's just a nighttime thing, or I don't think so. I think it was the first time that happened. But overall, no regrets. Very comfortable seats. The steering felt very connected to the road. Generally very happy so far. And I'll continue to leave very honest reviews as I go through all the details. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see. I'll be providing pricing details and the buying experience coming up soon. So remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Finally, if you're considering leasing or buying a Rivian yourself, you really should use a referral code because you'll get 750 points towards the gear store and you'll have 6 months of Rivian network charging as well. Thank you.